Are you looking for the best baby cribs of 2022? In this video we will look at some of the best baby cribs of 2022 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Babyletto Hudson Toddler Bed Conversion Kit. The Babyletto Hudson 3-in-1 convertible crib with toddler bed earned our top spot because it can be used for many years as your child grows. Well priced with a classic and versatile style, this top pick easily adapts from crib to cozy toddler bed to daybed, with the conversion kit included. As a crib, the metal mattress platform can be placed at for different heights, so it easily accommodates your growing baby. Stylish parents will appreciate the 6 color options, ranging from single standard colors to 2 color options, to match any nursery decor. The best-selling Hudson 3-in-1 crib combines modern design with mid-century inspiration. With an included conversion kit to go from crib to toddler bed to daybed, Hudson is built to last, made with sustainable pine wood and GreenGuard Gold certified. From the manufacturer, the Hudson 3-in-1 convertible crib converts to both a toddler bed, rail included, and daybed, and is solidly built from sustainable New Zealand pine wood. Whether you prefer a contemporary or time-honored palette for your nursery, Hudson has you covered. Choose between a modern grey crib, clean white or natural, or a new take on family-friendly white /espresso two-tone. Takes a standard full-size crib mattress at least 51.625 x 27.25 inches and no more than 6 inches thick. At number 2. DaVinci Kalani Convertible Crib in Espresso. Beautifully made and incredibly versatile, our Kalani 4-in-1 crib features gentle curves and sturdy construction that can be converted for use as a toddler bed, day bed and full-sized bed. Constructed from 100% natural solid New Zealand pine wood, this GreenGuard Gold certified crib makes a safe and eco-conscious sleep haven for your little one. Safe, sturdy, and easy to assemble, the Kalani crib has been one of the highest rated and best-selling cribs for over 10 years. From the manufacturer, Kalani is cool and confident. It's DaVinci at its best. With first-class engineering, the Kalani collection gives you a lifetime of style. It's cool. It's Kalani. At DaVinci, we build not just clean, non-toxic nurseries but green, non-toxic worlds. That's why environmental sustainability and energy efficiency are the DaVinci family values. Each stylish collection is constructed from New Zealand pine grown in sustainable forests. Built with non-toxic finishes for perfect safety and reliability, the DaVinci collections are also shipped smart to reduce our carbon footprint. So take a deep breath and know that the DaVinci choice is the best choice all around, for babies inside places and babies outside spaces. A convertible crib is a smart option for kids who'll be in their own room for a long time. As they grow, simply change the bed to match their age and stage. Made for longevity, this option easily converts from a crib to a toddler bed, day bed, and full-sized bed, toddler and full-sized bed conversion kits sold separately. At number 3. BABYBJORN Travel Crib Light. BABYBJORN Travel Light Crib, silver, lightweight and portable. The newly redesigned BABYBJORN Travel Crib Light provides your baby a safe, comfortable space for sleep or play at home or on the road. Especially convenient for busy parents, the Travel Crib Light sets up in just seconds and features a plush, cozy mattress and a sturdy base that does not wobble. Sets up and is ready to use in one simple movement. Compact and lightweight design, 11 pounds, makes it easy to take with you. Insulated mattress keeps baby warm and comfortable. Waterproof, breathable mattress cover is machine washable. Net fabric side panels make it easy to keep an eye on baby. Product dimensions, 19 x 5.5 x 23.5 inches, weight, 11 pounds. Do not place product near window where cords from blinds or drapes can strangle a child. The travel crib complies with the EN 716 safety standard for folding cribs and national fire safety requirements. Provide a safe, cozy, and comfortable place for your baby to sleep when away from home. Well loved by parents, this portable crib is almost like a standard crib. Parent reviewers love that it is easy to set up, fold, and carry. It's suitable from birth until about 3 years old, or when your kiddo can climb out, and comes with a mattress. At number 4. Stokke Sleepi Crib. Create a cozy nest for your little one with this Scandinavian-designed, unique oval crib. There are lockable swivel wheels so the crib can be moved from room to room and the mattress base adjusts to a few height levels. Once your babe has reached the curious toddler stage, remove the one side of the bed for easy access and independent movement in and out of bed. Due to the unique oval shape, the accompanying oval Stokke mattress is required. Oval crib /bed, Stokke Sleepi is an evolving, stylish and adjustable bed that helps maintain comfort and familiarity in a nest-like environment. Suitable for babies 0 to 36 months, or for kids up to 10 years with the Junior Extension Kit. Grows with baby, the flexible Stokke Sleepi expands to accommodate the changing needs and sizes of a growing child. Once your baby reaches the climbing stage, remove one side of the bed for easy access and to boost feelings of freedom and independence. Adjustable, the crib /bed features a height-adjustable mattress bottom to make lifting your child in and out easier. Plus, lockable swivel wheels make it easy to move while rods and a perforated mattress bottom offer maximum air circulation. Sleepi Collection, made from durable beech wood, pair the crib /bed with a PU foam or organic Stokke Sleepi mattress, which are sold separately. Extension kit to transform Stokke Sleepi bed to Sleepi Junior is also sold separately. Designed with a purpose, Stokke entered the children's furniture and accessories sector in 1972, and since then, all our products have been designed to challenge the ordinary, foster healthy development, and nurture family bonding. At number 5. Dream on Me Jett Non-Full-Size Folding Crib. A foldable crib is a helpful way to stash a full-sized crib in a vacation house, grandparents' house, or anywhere else where it may need to get put away. Ideal for small spaces, it folds flat and has lockable wheels so it's easy to transport. The 3-position mattress keeps pace with a growing baby. Available in 5 colors, this crib comes with a 1.5-inch mattress pad that stores flat in the crib when it's folded. Purchasing an additional crib mattress will be necessary. The Dream on Me Jett Non-Full-Size Folding Crib is the perfect space-saving option for today's compact nurseries. It stores easily, thanks to the patented fold system. Simply fold flat and store. Make the most of small spaces. Just unfold and use again when you need to. The Jett is lightweight and comes with wheels, making it a portable delight. It features a 3-position mattress support to keep pace with your growing baby. It boasts a minimalistic and trendy design aesthetic. Choose from beautiful eco-friendly, child-safe, water-based finish options as you create a stylish and timeless sleeping space for your child. Safety is a top priority at Dream on Me. All our cribs meet /exceed applicable ASTM and CPSC standards. Safety features include the stationary rail design, non-drop side, dual safety and hooded locking wheels. Product specs are 38L x 26W x 36H inches. The crib comes with the regulatory 1 mattress pad. Choose a Dream on Me non-toxic, Green Guard Gold certified mini or portable crib mattress for a perfect fit. All tools for assembly included.